Bonjour, c'est Claire à Clearly French. Today we're going to talk about the French concordance of tenses. I'm going to give you some examples, and right at the end I'm going to give you some exercises as well to test your understanding of the lesson. Before we start, I'm going to show you some common mistakes I hear all the time. All these sentences are wrong, and I want you to work out why. Il a dit qu'il viendra. He said he will be coming. Je pensais qu'il est malade. I thought he's ill. Elle m'a dit qu'elle vient demain. She told me she's coming tomorrow. Can you work it out? I'm going to give you the answers at the end of this lesson. What we call in French la concordance des temps is the logical relationship between one half of the sentence and the other half, which is the main verb and the tense in the subordinate clause. Be aware that French sometimes shifts tenses differently from English when reporting speech. The main structure of those sentences is the main clause, the que, and the subordinate clause. Let me show you. For instance, il dit qu'il vient. He says he's coming. The main clause is il dit. You've got the que. And il vient, that's your subordinate clause. Notice they're both in the same tense, present. Il a dit qu'il venait. He said he was coming. This time we've put it all in the past. Il a dit qu'il viendrait. He said he would come. Now this time it's in the conditional. I'm going to explain how and why in the lesson. Case number 1, that's easy because it's the same as English. The main verb is in the present. If that happens, you keep the tenses the same. Il pense, je viendrai avec vous. He thinks, I'll come with you. And you leave the tenses the same in the reported speech. Il pense qu'il viendra avec nous. He thinks he will come with us. All you've changed here, it's the you, which has become us. The tenses have remained the same. Case number 2, that's where it gets interesting, when the main verb is in the past. When that happens, French moves back a tense, and this is really important. This is where concordance really matters, more than in English. So if you've got the structure passé composé present, you'll end up with passé composé imperfect. Il a dit, je viens avec toi. He said, I'm coming with you. You see how you've got passé composé, il a dit, present, je viens. Il a dit qu'il venait avec moi. He said he was coming with me. So in reported speech, we have still passé composé, but then we've moved back to the imperfect. He said he was coming with me. When the structure of the sentence is passé composé, you still move back a tense and end up with passé composé plus-perfect. Il a dit, j'ai fini. He said, I'm finished. Here we've got passé composé. Il a dit, j'ai fini. Il a dit qu'il avait fini. He said he was finished. We end up with passé composé and plus-perfect. Avait fini. Case number 3 is the conditional. So imagine your sentence is passé composé future, then you'll end up with passé composé conditional. Il a dit, passé composé, je viendrai demain. I will come tomorrow. Future. You end up with, il a dit qu'il viendrait le lendemain. He said he would come the next day. You see how we've changed the future to the conditional and changed the time marker from demain to le lendemain. I'll explain that in a second. Very important, the conditional here doesn't mean maybe, it means the future seen from the past. This is important. Every time you use reported speech in the past, the time expression will change. In that sense, it makes French more structured than English because you don't necessarily do that in English. For instance, demain will become le lendemain, tomorrow, the next day. Aujourd'hui will become ce jour-là, today, that day. Hier will become la veille, yesterday, the day before. Maintenant will become à ce moment-là, now, at that moment. Elle a dit, je viens demain. She said, I'm coming tomorrow. Will become, elle a dit qu'elle venait le lendemain. She said she was coming the next day. Because we're not talking about tomorrow here. This is in the past. It's already happened. In summary, remember the 3 rules. 1. Present reporting verb, no change. 2. Past reporting verb, go back a tense. 3. Past reporting verb with future becomes conditional. You notice that French concordance of tenses is not random, it's completely logical and systematic. Now we'll answer the common mistakes. First example, il a dit qu'il viendra is wrong because viendra needs to be changed to viendrait. Il a dit qu'il viendrait. He said he would come. Je pensais qu'il est malade is wrong because you can't have past in the first half and present in the second half. So you have to have the past throughout. Je pensais qu'il était malade. I thought he was ill. Elle m'a dit qu'elle vient demain. Again, wrong because you can't have past and present. You have to have elle m'a dit qu'elle venait le lendemain. She said to me she was coming the next day. The incorrect ones are wrong because there is no backshift, as we've just said. Now let's move on to our practice to check your understanding of the lesson. Elle dit, je commence aujourd'hui. She says, I'm starting today. So what would be the reported speech? And your hint is the reporting verb, dit, is in the present. So do we backshift and do we change aujourd'hui? The answer is no. Elle dit qu'elle commence aujourd'hui. She says she's starting today. Il a promis, je t'aiderai. He promised, I will help you. Hint, the past reporting verb plus the future means it's the future seen from the past. Therefore, we have il a promis qu'il m'aiderait. He promised he would help me. Elle a expliqué, je ne comprends pas. Hint, the reporting verb is in the past and you've got the present in the direct speech. You need to move one step back. Elle a expliqué qu'elle ne comprenait pas. She explained she didn't understand. Elle affirme, nous partirons demain. She says, we'll leave tomorrow. And the hint, it's a present reporting verb. Would you change demain? And the answer is no. Elle affirme qu'ils partiront demain. She says that they will leave tomorrow. Hasn't happened yet. You don't need to change the time marker. Il dit, j'ai vu Paul hier. He says, I saw Paul yesterday. This is a present reporting verb. Does hier change? The answer is no. Il dit qu'il a vu Paul hier. He says that he saw Paul yesterday. You leave things the same because it's in the present. Elle a annoncé, nous arriverons demain. She announced, we'll arrive tomorrow. Hint, it's a past reporting verb plus a future, so it's the future seen from the past. Would you change demain in that case? The answer is yes. Elle a annoncé qu'ils arriveraient le lendemain. It's already happened. She announced they would arrive the next day. If you like this video and would like to support me, I would really appreciate it if you would leave a small tip by clicking the Ko-fi link in the description. Merci d'avance et à bientôt.